What's up everyone? Welcome back to TechVerse. Today, we're going to compare two of the hottest smartphones of 2024, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both are packed with features, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First, let's talk displays. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 6.9-inch OLED screen with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling and gaming feel really smooth. The display also adjusts its refresh rate to save battery life when you're just reading or watching something simple. On the other side, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a slightly smaller but equally stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's also got a 120Hz refresh rate, but the big thing here is its QHD+ resolution, meaning it's super sharp with vibrant colors. Samsung displays are known for being some of the best for watching movies or playing games. Now let's dive into camera. The iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S24 both have impressive camera features. The iPhone 16 has a dual camera setup with a 48-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It excels in low light with night mode and has a photonic engine for better image processing. You can also shoot 4K videos with its cinematic mode and use Pro RAW for advanced editing. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. It offers space zoom for 100x digital zoom and nightography for improved low-light photos. The S24 also supports 8K video recording and has a single-take mode that captures multiple photos and videos at once. Now, let's dive into performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip. It's insanely fast and great for handling everything, from gaming to editing videos. Apple's chips are known for being super efficient too, so you get great performance without draining your battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with either a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 processor, depending on where you live. Both are top-tier processors, giving you great gaming performance, fast app switching, and overall speed. If you love gaming on your phone, both devices will handle it effortlessly. Let's move on to battery life. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a battery around 4,500 mAh. Thanks to Apple's efficient chip, it lasts all day with moderate use, and you also get MagSafe wireless charging and fast charging support. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, packs a 5,000 mAh battery. It supports 45-watt fast charging and wireless charging, and it even has reverse wireless charging, so you can charge other devices like your Galaxy Buds or even another phone. Lastly, let's cover some extras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has Apple's famous Face ID for secure unlocking, and it integrates really well with the whole Apple ecosystem. If you use a MacBook, iPad, or Apple Watch, everything just works seamlessly together. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has some cool extras too, like the S Pen, which comes built in. It's great for taking notes or drawing on the go. Samsung also has DeX mode, which lets you turn your phone into a mini desktop by connecting it to a monitor. Perfect for productivity. That's it for today's comparison. I hope this video helped you pick the right phone for you. Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.